Earlier this week, a number of strategists raised their year-end price targets on the S&P 500. The highest now sits at 6,000. And joining us now is the man behind the call. His name is Julian Emanuel. He is Chief Equity Derivatives and Quant Strategist over at Evercore. Great to see you in person.
Great to be here, Katie.
Let's talk about the big call heard around Wall Street, because you went from 4,750 to 6,000. Show your math here. What gets us to 6,000 by year-end?
So I think when we step away from it, okay, and clearly this is something that there's an element of stepping out of one's comfort zone because we consider valuation to be a rather large part of the puzzle. But in going back and looking at history, valuation alone has not been a reason specifically to sell stocks. And frankly, in an environment where we think the AI revolution is really in its early stages, just an example here, we've been giving a series of webinars about macro topics for the last 6 months, and the company introduced an AI device about 2 weeks ago. We were able to take 45 minutes worth of a conversation and distill it in 3 minutes. And so for me, that was sort of a crystallization of how this technology is going to really enhance productivity. And so for us, the combination of that, the combination of the fact that we are, in our view, nowhere near a bubble, and the idea that past expensive markets have gone on for 1.5 to 2 years and have gone 40 to 60% higher, and this one is only 6 months old, based on crossing 20 times trailing earnings, and has only risen 11% from there. We think there's more to go.